Hello, Rat Salt here at beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. We came out here for the SEMA show, but we stopped by the Apex show to catch up with Lucas Oil Products and Mr. Morgan Lucas himself. Morgan, how you doing out here today?
Very good, very good. This show's turning out really good so far, and looking forward to a great week.
So Morgan, your normal fuel treatment is so amazing, but tell me why you guys created this high mileage fuel treatment.
We're just trying to make sure the consumer has the best product for their vehicle to keep them on the road, keep them getting to work and doing everything they need to do on their daily basis. And this product will clean your fuel system, it'll clean the combustion chamber, and hopefully help the environment at the same time. We're realizing there's a lot of cars, the average age of the vehicle on the road is getting older, and we realize that people need a special fuel treatment to really get in there and clean out those fuel rails and the injectors, and hopefully clean out the combustion chamber to help cars last longer. So, you know, our kind of phrase is 75,000 miles plus. It's a big deal. It'll work for all kinds of vehicles, but it really caters to that. It's got a lot of special cleaners and detergents in there in that formulation. It's a special product. We always try to create our products and formulate our products for our customer. That's key. We want to make sure it works, it delivers on what we promise it will, and we're trying to help people save money. So at the end of the day, if we don't do that, we're not going to put it out.
That's a good thing, and you touched on something right there, the environment. You guys got some great awards, and you're probably the most environmentally friendly lubricant company in the game for sure.
We'd like to think so. You know, part of helping a car be more environmentally friendly is running clean and having a clean burn at the pipe. And we have a lot of products that help with that, but this year we were awarded the Environmental Impact Award for our bag-in-a-box program. It's kind of an exciting honor for us. We haven't received many, if any, awards from Apex, but this is kind of a starting point for us. We're hoping that we can continue to educate people on how proper maintenance on their vehicles will help them actually help the environment in the long run.
Well, Morgan, thanks again for having us out. And where could people check out all of your lubrications across the board?
Well, thank you, and go to lucasoil.com. Hopefully get all your answers right there, and we appreciate all the time you've given us.
And stay tuned for more product highlights right here from the SEMA show.